What a day, guys. Jerome Powell absolutely lit the fuse to the market fireworks today. Massive, massive green day for pretty much every market. Stocks, metals, crypto, you name it. You're watching the Stock Market Summary Series, and we're going to go into the markets today and what happened. But before we get into it, do us a big favor and hit that like button. It's totally free, and it helps us out a lot. And click that subscribe while you're there, too. Please note that none of the things we talk about here are buying or selling advice. We're just here to bring you some hopefully valuable market commentary and trading education. Okay, let's dig into what happened today on this bullish day. And I mean, wow, truly bullish. The S&P 500 SPY surged a fantastic 1.54%, a brand new all-time high there.
Incredible.
Then the Dow DIA, I mean, it absolutely rocketed up 1.94%.
Yeah.
Its first record close of 2025. We were talking about that blue chip resilience just yesterday, right?
Exactly. Good follow through there.
And the NASDAQ, QQQ, wasn't left behind either, climbing 1.54% to a fresh record. Tech really came alive.
It really did. But you know what truly stands out, maybe even more than those big guys?
What's that?
The Russell 2000, IWM. It just soared, a remarkable 3.92%.
Wow, almost 4%.
Yeah, this isn't just noise. That's small cap breakout. It signals a really critical shift, I think. Market breadth improving. It suggests confidence is spreading beyond, just the mega cap tech names.
So maybe a broader participation coming, like value stocks or domestic growth.
That's what it hints at, potentially.
No.
It means, for you watching, we might be entering a phase where other parts of the market could start to really shine. And get this, all sectors finished green today. You don't see that every day.
No, you don't.
Consumer discretionary XLY led the pack, up 3.04%. Then energy XLE up 2.04%, and financials XLF with a solid 1.65%.
That broad strength is a really powerful signal. And speaking of signals, some great technical wins today, too.
Oh, yeah. Like what?
Well, JP Morgan, JPM, it broke out of that tight symmetrical triangle, and boom, it moved up.
Nice continuation.
And Residio Technologies, REZI, absolutely smashed through its high base pattern, strong demand showing up there.
So those setups we tracked really paid off.
They certainly did. And, spotting these kinds of patterns, the triangles, the flags, the bases, that's really where opportunity is created for traders who know what to look for.
Definitely. Precision matters there.
It does. And that's a key part of the techniques we cover in more depth in our Grok Trade mentorship program, teaching folks how to spot and trade those.
And tying this back to the why. The core economic driver today was pretty clear, wasn't it?
Yeah, Powell at Jackson Hole.
Exactly.
Yeah.
His dovish signals, hinting at maybe a September rate cut.
Because the labor market's cooling off a bit.
Right. Citing that and also maybe seeing the tariff-driven inflation as perhaps short-lived.
So if the labor market is cooling, does today's huge rally mean everyone's betting on that perfect soft landing?
That's the million-dollar question, isn't it? Is the market maybe getting a little ahead of itself or overlooking some risks? It's something to think about.
Definitely something to keep an eye on. Oh, and also, adding to the bullish mood, Canada moved to have its tariffs on U.S. goods.
Right. Easing trade tensions always helps sentiment.
Yeah, it does. But beyond Powell and these technicals, it was actually like a pretty light day for other econ data.
It really highlights how much the Fed's tone drove things today.
For sure. Oh, and hey, as always, guys, if you've got a stock you're watching or a question about the markets, drop it in the comments. We might cover it in an upcoming episode. Okay, let's switch gears slightly. Crypto and metals. Strong rebound there too, right? Shaken off yesterday.
Absolutely. Good bounce back.
Bitcoin, BTC, surged a solid 3.97%, powered right back above its 20-day and 50-day moving averages. Yesterday's dip. Gone.
Nice recovery for Bitcoin. And looking at metals. Gold, GLD, jumped 1.07%. It also got back above its 20 and 50-day moving averages. Solid move for gold. But silver, SLV, that was the real star in metals today. It soared 2.11%.
And didn't it break out of that pattern we've been watching?
It did. That symmetrical triangle we've been tracking all week, it broke out.
On good volume.
Seems like it. And, that kind of breakout, especially if the volume confirms, is what traders watch closely as a potential catalyst.
So the key now is follow through.
Exactly. Can metals sustain this, especially silver, with this high volume move? If they can, it could really spark some bigger, more sustained action for gold and silver bulls. Days like today, they really highlight something. Seeing these precision breakouts in JPM, Dino, RISI, even SLV, it just screams opportunity, but only if you know how to spot these setups, how to read them.
Yeah, timing and recognition are key.
Absolutely. And this is exactly the kind of advanced pattern recognition, the strategic execution that the Grok Trade Mentorship program focuses on.
Yeah.
We teach traders how to navigate these moves with, well, precision, backed by solid risk management, and we provide coaching until you actually recoup the investment. It's a serious program meant to deliver real results for people ready to trade smarter.
Well, market's definitely fired on all cylinders today. Powell's hints, those breakouts. What a ride.
Indeed. Quite the day.
So the big questions now. Will small caps keep this momentum going? Or is maybe silver's breakout the one to really watch closely?
Good question. Is this the start of something broader, more inclusive?
Or just a temporary relief rally before, the next challenge pops up?
We'll have to see how it unfolds.
We will. We'll be watching how these things play out next week. For now, though, we'll see you next week. Have a great, great weekend, everyone, and we'll catch you next Monday.